welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Hiked land rates by government may not have much impact on state revenue. Market rates almost 5 to 10 times more than state notified rates. Government earns peanuts of 150 crores through stamp duty. Watch special report. CM says upcoming budget to be minus mining revenue. Countdown begins for action on illegal mining scamster politicos. CM to Prudent exclusively in Counterpoint. Police arrest headmistress Charlotte Furtado in Marmugao minor rape case. Arrest for negligence in duty that resulted in escape of the culprit. Offence registered under Children's Act. Xerox to cost 2 to 3 rupees per copy from Monday in Bicholi and Sattari. Rest Xerox shops to follow later. Ration card, election card and A3 size copies to cost 3 rupees. Stamina 11 clinches All Goa Babu Brothers 2020 Cup, beats Politics 11 by 39 runs. Sagun Kamat bags man of the match. Regan Pinto the man of the series. And now the news in detail. The hike in land rates by the state may not have much impact on the state's stamp duty revenue. Market rates are much higher than the state ones. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar also agrees to this fact. Land market rates in the state are almost 5 to 10 times higher than the ones notified by the government. Government earns revenue of around 150 crores from the stamp duty and registration annually. Considering the market rate and the black deals in real estate, stamp duty revenue figures should actually touch 1,500 crores. Prudent special report.
Government has hiked the state land prices recently. The hike is almost 2 to 4 times more. The new rate list has been notified by the government, but things are different at grassroots level. Prudent team contacted some of the brokers and builders and found the actual market rates of land in various parts of the state. The rates are 5 to 10 times more than the one notified by the government. Have a look. Now have a look in Tiswadi. The land rates are 7 to 8 times more than the rates decided by the government. In Mapsa, the land rates are 7 to 8 times more than the rates notified by the government. Situation isn't different in Morji Mandre. In Sankeli, it is almost 10 times more than the government notified rates. In Valpoi, it is almost 4 to 5 times more. These are the rates in Ponda. Surprisingly, in Margao there is very less difference between market and government land rates. In Murmugao it is highest, the difference is almost 10 to 25 times. In Kepe, Sange, Dadbandoda and Kankon talukas land rates are almost 5 to 10 times more. The picture clearly shows the leakage in the state stamp duty revenue. These are the figures of stamp and registration duty revenue in past 4 to 5 years. State stamp duty revenue is around 100 to 150 crores. Government expects it to touch 250 crores this fiscal. Land deals in black is a known fact. Finance Minister Manohar Parrikar is fully aware of it but can't help it.
In case of land sale and purchases, you are expected to declare the correct value. लोक ब्लॅक मार्केटिंग करता धरतो किंवा ब्लॅकान पैसे घेतात ती म्हजी चूक नाही. नाही रेव्हेन्यू खातीर जमनीचे प्राइस वाडून ना.
पण तितल्यान रेव्हेन्यू कशान तरी उबो जाता तो कितलो?
नाही तातूंतल्यान रेव्हेन्यू खूब वाडटलो अशी चुकीची कल्पना. कारण इफ यू गो अँड चेकअप द सेल एग्रीमेंट यू विल फायंड द प्राइस इज मच हायर देन वॉट यू हॅव डिक्लेअर्ड. सो ऑलरेडी पीपल आर बायींग लँड एट अ हायर प्राइस. हाच्यामुळे पैशाचो कांयच संबंध ना, हाजो इन्कमाचोय संबंध ना.
At present, government earns around 150 crores of revenue on stamp duty. If land deals in black are considered, then the annual revenue figures should touch a mark of 1,500 crores. With bureau input, our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that forthcoming annual budget will be drafted minus mining revenue. However, the move should not be misinterpreted. He has alleged that Congress is playing politics over mining issue at the cost of Goans, and Alex Reginald's petition to CEC against Maharashtra ore export has proved it. CM has hinted that 2013 would be a tough year for politicians involved in the infamous illegal mining scam. He was speaking in our weekly counterpoint during the Jan Sampark Abhiyan at Sange.
रेव्हेन्यू कॅल्क्युलेशन करता आसतना हांव घेवचो ना, पण रेव्हेन्यू थंय घेवन ना हाजो अर्थ कोणें इंटरप्रिटेशन करपाची गरज ना. ताजें कारण हिशोब करता आसतना जी पयशाची तुका 100% गॅरंटी ना, ते पयशे तुवें हिशोबान घेवंक जायना, म्हणजे तुजे हिशोब बरोबर जाता. आयले भले जाल्यार आमी आनी इल्ले मोडपाक मेकळले. ऑल दीस aspects about taking for task those people who are involved is moving forward surely, and I can assure you, wait for some more time, you will find that there will be clear action. आता क्लियर एक्शन हाजो अर्थ अशें समजचें न्ही की हांव फक्त अरेस्ट करपाक धांवतलो, बट देर वील बी डॉक्युमेंटरी एविडन्स एंड चार्जशीट्स. लेट ज्युडिशरी डिसायड, आय डोंट डिसायड. एक्सपोर्ट केला पळय ती तक्रार कोणें केल्या? अलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान केल्या, काँग्रेसची. म्हणजे हातून काँग्रेस इनवॉल्ड आसा ते ब्लॉक करपाक, हें म्हाका दिसता आतां सांगपाची गरजूच उरूना. ही एके वटेन काँग्रेसवाले उलयतना आमकां चालू करपाचें आहा. मागीर वाय डीड अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड कंप्लेन टू CEC that Congress cat is out of bag? This is a direct evidence that काँग्रेसीक मायन चालू जाल्ली नाका. मागीर तांकां लोकांचें पडलेलें ना, तांकां पर्रीकाराक कसो ना कसो तरी त्रास जावंक जाय. तर हांव स्पश्ट सांगता, काँग्रेसचे सगळे लिडर आहा, दिगंबर कामती पासून जोकी मालेमा पर्यंत सगळ्यांची जांची नांवां घेवपाची जाल्यार कमी पडटली. सगळ्या लोकांचो कितें ना कितें भितर सहभाग आहा.
The principal, Charlotte Furtado, was finally arrested on Sunday. She is arrested for negligence in duty in regards with a minor girl school rape case which led to an escape of culprit. Police were interrogating her for the last few days. Furtado is booked under the Children's Act. DIG OP Mishra briefed media on the development on Sunday. Meanwhile, sources say IGP Sanjay Singh might be transferred from Goa following his alleged involvement in controversial incidents and negligent conduct.
The South District Police has formally arrested today the headmistress of the primary school, Settle Furtado, in connection with the negligence case and the relevant sections of Goa Children Act. As you all know that it is a case which has a very broad canvas of investigation because it's a blind case. We have pulled out officers from different police stations of Goa. We have taken experienced officers with us who are posted wherever because it's a case for the whole police. We are working, so it's a team which has been constituted.
What about the security of the child at home? Have you provided?
No, that's being taken care of. That's being taken care of.
Meanwhile, IGP Sanjay Singh may face transfer from Goa for alleged negligent conduct. Sources informed that administration is moving ahead in the direction of transferring the senior cop as he is allegedly involved in many controversial incidents. Sources say transfer order may likely be served to the IGP by Monday. A senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.